Get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wait line their wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. Just float. Just go back. Bronco nest. A bronco nest? Okay, we have to get you out of here. Let's explode with the nest, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward. Look, you do know which way is forward, right?
No, I don't.